Founded in 2016, Liuing has established 4 major production facilities across China, Vietnam, Italy, and the United States, achieving global layout and on-site supply support. Our headquarters in Dongguan occupies a 30,000 square meter facility and serves a global client. We are committed to providing efficient and sustainable green packaging supply chains worldwide. Guided by our mission to replace plastics and protect the environment. As a specialized manufacturer of biodegradable molded pulp packaging, we possess proven expertise in both dry press and wet press technologies. Our production infrastructure includes 6 major systems, 6 dedicated production lines, and 50 equipment sets, enabling a daily output of 20,000 units and the reliable fulfillment of large volume orders. Backed by a 10-year experienced R&D team comprising 2 engineers and 3 designers, we deliver prototypes within 24 hours. We maintain in-house mold production capabilities, supported by 10 specialized technicians and 8 CNC machining centers. Rigorous quality control is implemented throughout the entire process, from raw material selection to final inspection, with every batch undergoing stringent testing. All products are 100% inspected prior to shipment, comply with SGS testing standards, and hold FSC certification. Liuing is dedicated to continuous excellence and cordially invites potential partners for site visits and collaboration to embrace a green future together.